Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And want to take a minute, show you a brand new truck we're getting ready to put on the lot. Here it is. Okay guys, here it is. We've got a 2014 Ram 1500. Does have the Hemi engine in it. It's 5.7 Hemi, so it's going to give you plenty of power with this thing. And the interior is just as beautiful as the outside is. You're looking at black leather, beautiful inside, absolutely beautiful. We'll go inside here in just a moment. We'll take a look at it, but I'll back away from here, show you the outside of this. Now this does have what is called a ram box. I don't know if you've ever seen this before, but it goes the length right down here on both sides. Push this, it will open up. Basically it's a storage area, so if you have some tools, whatever you have, sandwiches, lunch meat, just joking on that one, but you can throw that right back there. You notice it does have a foldable hard cover that is on the top called a solid fold. It does have a rear view camera, which is right there. So let me back away and you can see this. Let's go ahead and we'll just take a minute and we'll go ahead and fold this down. So there you go, you can see the interior of the bed. There is no liner in this. It has been used. I mean, you can see the scratches and scuffs on this, but it's just cosmetic, no harm to it. So I just wanted to show you that. Okay, we'll continue our walk around and you're going to see there's another ram box that is full length right here. It opens up the same way as the other side. So let me go ahead and back away, show you the passenger side. Beautiful black, I mean absolutely beautiful. One thing I do want to point out is your mirrors on both sides. You do have turn signals on both sides. So let's take a look at the back. Okay, there is your black leather interior. Just beautiful inside this truck. We'll show you right here. You do have a 12-volt port to charge. And you do have two cup holders down here. Now the center does fold down. So let's take a peek up front. Okay, here's what we have up front. You do have your controls for your front seat right here. Black door panels. Your controls for your door. All your lights. So let's go ahead, hop up in here and take a peek. Okay, now you can see the steering wheel, the gauges on the instrument cluster. You do have controls on both sides of your steering wheel. I'll go in here a little bit closer and show you the instrument gauges. The mileage on this truck is 105,175 miles as of the date of this recording. Over here on the left side of your wheel, you have your audio for your Bluetooth. And then on the right, you have the controls for your cruise control. Now this does have a push button, start stop. So just to press your foot pedal, push the button and it starts. Your gear selector is right here. It's a rotary dial. You just turn it, it'll go into whichever gear. Now it does have a backup camera. I'm going to switch it in reverse. And there is your backup camera. Kind of nice how that's made. But you can see the LCD command center is actually very vivid, nice. And your climate control right here, and braking assist, control your braking tension. And right down here is your selection for two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. And you do have a lot of storage area right here, 12-volt to power your accessories. And you do have a container area right here for storage, two cup holders. And your center console will open up. And it will also lift up. A lot of area right down here. Let's take a peek in the back. Okay, there's your back. You do have a lot of leg room, as you can see right here. Well guys, that concludes our tour of this 2014 Ram 1500. Like I said, it does have a V8 Hemi engine in it. It's a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It's beautiful. Financing, we got a lot of lenders, a lot of banks that are eager to loan the money on the vehicles that we have. Many instances you can do it with no money down, low money down, don't have to have perfect credit. But if you happen to have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call up here, area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.